Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see about an object types in data dictionary. So the major object types in data dictionary are database table, views, data types, type group, domain, search help, and lock object. So very first, let us see in detail about database table. So tables are the multi-dimensional matrix which is used to store in data. And according to the R3 architecture, three-tier architecture, we have three different types of tables that are transparent table, pool table, and cluster table. The second object type is views. So views is a collection of fields from multiple tables which does not store data physically. And there are four different types of views, that is database view, projection view, help view, and maintenance view. So whenever a user click on a view gets executed. It displays the data by selecting the multiple tables, but it does not store the data physically. We have already seen about all these views and about the tables in the previous lectures. So here we will not discuss it in detail. So the third object type is data type, which includes data elements, structures, and table type. So what is data element? Data element are the semantic characteristic of a field, and a data element contains a field labels and documentation of the field. So also a data element contains a domain and a short description about domain for which it is defined. And there are two different types of data elements, that is elementary type and reference type. So let us see what is field labels. So field labels are used to assign text information to the data elements, and there are two different types of field labels, that is short, medium, and long, and one is header field. Let us see how to create a data element. So very first, to create a data element, we need to go to SE11, that is data dictionary, and we will get this type of screen, which is an initial screen of the data dictionary. There select a data type. By selecting a data type, then click on a create button. We'll get a screen which will ask to select data element, structure, or a table type. So select data element and click on the create button and provide a short description. Thereafter, select the type of a data element. As we saw that there are two different types of data element, elementary and reference. Elementary and reference. So we have two types, that is elementary type and reference type. So in the elementary type, again we have two types, that is domain and predefined type. In the domain, we need to provide a table name and give the data type and length, or else we have predefined data type, so we do not need to create a table, so only provide a data type and length. And then go to the field label. Here we have a field label. After going to the field label, we need to specify the short, medium, and long and heading labels, and then click on the save button, and then save, check, and activate all the settings, and our data element will get created. In the next lecture, we are going to see about a type group.